Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field in Docusign. This is essential when you need someone to electronically sign a document, whether it's a contract, agreement, or any official paperwork that requires a signature. First, open your web browser and navigate to Docusign.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your login details to access your Docusign account. This step ensures you have full access to all the features Docusign offers for managing and sending documents. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll find several options, but we're interested in the one labeled Agreement. Click on Agreement to proceed. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing documents that require signatures or other actions from recipients. Now look at the upper left panel of your screen. You should see an option that says Start Now. Click on this button to begin the process of preparing your document for signature. This action opens up the workflow where you can upload and configure your file. Next, you'll be presented with upload options. Click on Upload, and from the choices available, select Desktop. This allows you to browse files stored on your computer. A File Explorer window will appear, giving you access to all your local documents. Navigate through your files and select the document you want to upload for signature. Once you've located the correct file, click Open. The file will then be uploaded to Docusign, and you'll move forward to the next configuration step. Give it a moment to complete the upload process before proceeding. After the file has been uploaded, it's time to add the recipient details. In the text field provided, enter the recipient's name. This is the person who will be receiving the document and providing their signature. Below that, you'll need to enter their email address in the designated email field. This ensures the document is sent directly to the right person. Further down, you'll see fields for entering the subject and message. The subject line should clearly indicate what the document is about, while the message can include any instructions or context the recipient might need. Once you've filled in these details, click Next in the bottom right corner to continue. You'll now enter the editing interface where you can place signature fields. On the left sidebar, you'll see various field options. Click and drag the signature field from the sidebar, then place it wherever you want the recipient to sign on the document. You can add more signature fields if your document requires multiple signatures. Simply repeat the drag and drop process. Once you've positioned all the necessary signature fields to your satisfaction, head to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Send. This finalizes your setup and sends the document to the recipient's email, ready for them to sign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.